In the past month, Deandra rented 3 video games and 1 DVD. The rental price for each video game was $2.90. The rental price for a DVD was $4.20. The video game, and this is DVD. What is the total amount that Deandra spent on video game and DVD rentals in the past month? So she did 3 of these and 1 of these DVDs. So let's see. Well, what is 3 times 290 first of all? 0, 7, carry the 2, 6, 8. So she spent $8.70 on video games, and then another $4.20 on DVDs, and we just add these up. 0, 9, 12. So that's $12.90.